project. My name of my project is Moving Cracker Shop. Working of my project. This is an automatic moving cracker shop which comes to your house with crackers and you can buy your crackers. Working model of my project. Components I used: Bluetooth controller, battery, 4 wheels, 4 motors,